Welcome to the build of my version of Mount Panorama in 2021. I'm on my iPhone, so I apologise for the noise and the wind and all that sort of stuff. It's just easier. What I've done is I've got some old AFX track, and I've laid this out, as you can see, in a shape that I think will be great for the cars to run down. And just right here is the width of Fat Track, and obviously you can see the width of the AFX track, so just disregard the width of this track. It's more so just the layout, which I'm pretty happy with. So this section here is around about 2 meters long. The cars will run down here, hit this first turn, go into this turn. These will be slightly banked, little dog leg there, little straight, hit that corner there, head into that corner, little straight, little curve just there, little straight, then down the S's, eventually head down to the final turn, and then power down to the finish line, and wham, end of race. I think the layout looks really great. It's just a matter of if the cars can actually run down them in this configuration. Once I start building it up with this stuff, the corners will obviously have to be banked, but nowhere near like Fat Track. This is going to be a lot. I want this to be sort of not as frantic as the current track, which is great by the way, but this is just going to be, I just want this to be a little bit slower, as in how frantically they hit the turns, if I'm making any sense. So the next step is to grab this stuff and then just start cutting this out and just build a shape and see how it goes before the heat gets up today. It's going to be 40 today, so. But yeah, I mean, that's the basic idea, and I think looking at that shape it's going to work really well. I really do. Nice big area in there. You know, you have some houses, there's a winery there. You know, I'm going to base this track too on, by the way, on the early 60s and 70s, where, you know, it was really more bush, more Australian, rather than its current sort of format where it's a bit more commercialised. You go back and watch some of the early races, it was really just a goat track, and that's how I want this track to be. I can't wait till this thing's built and racing. It's going to be a couple of months, because we've still got a lot of tournaments to get through currently. So anyway, that's just a quick update guys. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.